Welcome to the Antigravity Studio tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to edit 360-degree footage captured with Antigravity A1. Download the studio software from the official website. Then, install and open it. The studio interface includes two main tabs: the Media tab and the Project tab. The Media tab is used for previewing and editing individual clips, while the Project tab lets you combine multiple clips and add text, music, transitions, and other elements. Let's start with the Media tab, which is divided into 4 sections: Library, Monitor, Function panel, and Clip panel. 1. Library. When your computer is connected to the drone, or a memory card containing drone footage, Studio can automatically recognize and import footage. You can open the file by clicking on it, or by dragging it directly into the clip area. Hover your mouse over a clip to preview it. 2. Monitor. Use your mouse to drag the clip and adjust the viewing angle. Scroll the mouse wheel to change the field of view. Click the ratio setting in the lower right corner to select a common video aspect ratio based on your project needs. You can also adjust the playback angle of the clip. When the view has been moved, click the icon above to return to the default view. 3. Function panel. You can choose to enable or disable stabilization and goggle view according to your needs. Under the Viewpoint tab, you can switch between different viewing angles. Choose the stitching method based on whether your drone is equipped with propeller guards. If the stitching result isn't ideal, you can select a reference image to recalibrate and correct it. In the Image Processing panel, adjust the brightness and color of the footage to your preference. Under the Dashboard tab, you can apply different dashboard styles to display flight information in your video. 4. Timeline panel. Drag the timeline or press the spacebar to preview and play your clip. Move the white handles at either end of the timeline to adjust the clip's duration. You can also click anywhere on the timeline to set that point as the start or end of the clip range. Click the plus button to add a keyframe at the current position. At each keyframe, you can adjust parameters such as rotation, field of view, and more. Add another keyframe later in the clip and change the settings. The footage will transition smoothly between the 2 keyframes. Use steps tracking to keep your subject centered. Select the subject, start tracking, and wait for the process to complete. The subject will stay fixed in the frame. Enable the ND filter effect to add motion blur around the edges during movement, creating a more dynamic look. When editing is complete, click Export in the upper right corner to save your edited clip. Project tab. Create project. Click New Project to start a new project. You can rename the project, set the save path, adjust the aspect ratio, frame rate, and other parameters. If your device has limited performance, enable proxy mode for a smoother editing experience. The project page is similar to the clip page and is also divided into 4 sections: clip, library, player, timeline, and function panel. The player, timeline, and function panel work the same way as on the clip page, but the library also includes music, text, and transitions tabs. You can use the built-in library to add clips to the timeline and create your own videos. Click the plus icon on the clip, or drag and drop it from the media library to the timeline to start editing. Drag the timeline, or press the spacebar to preview and play the clip. Use the slider, or press Ctrl =, Ctrl- to zoom in or out of the timeline, centered on the playhead. Move the cursor to the start or end of a clip, then click and drag to trim it manually. You can also use the crop tool to quickly remove opening or closing segments. For more flexible editing, use the split and delete tools to refine your timeline. Studio includes a rich built-in library of creative assets. In the music library, you can preview and select background music online, then add it to your timeline after downloading. In the text template library, you can preview and choose from various text styles. Add a text template to the timeline, then customize the content and appearance as you like. In the transitions library, you can preview and select transition effects. Note that 360 transitions can only be applied to 360 clips, while other transitions can be used freely. Drag a transition between 2 clips to apply the effect. After editing, click Export in the upper right corner to set your export parameters. Once rendering is complete, you can find the finished video in the export folder. Thank you for watching.